any of any question in Miracle?
In Miracle.
Ramzani,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
In Miracle, for the time being, I don't have question, but
But
I want to know.
what? Tell me. Please tell me.
That phone you said it has the EMMC issue. That Vivo.
Okay, Y81
Do,
I.
do you remember? Vivo, yeah, Vivo Y80.
Yeah, Vivo
Yeah.
Y81 I.
That phone. Mm.
Yeah.
The EMMC issue in Miracle only support
Your voice is not
Qualcomm.
getting clear.
So which box will fix that phone?
Can you
What?
repeat again?
Ah,
Can you ask me again?
okay. I said that phone Vivo. How to fix that problem in terms of EMMC? Which box will solve that problem and back again to life? Do you get me?
That's phone now. You can, if you're getting hang on logo phone. Hello, Adil Naushad. Hello. Hello, Adil Naushad. Hello.
Full time chicken, beef.
Hello. Both of you getting my voice, guys? Okay. So Ramzani, you are telling me if you're getting your Y Vivo 81, that is a hang on logo process. So how to fix them the hang on logo? So if you are getting any brand of hang on logo, you can fix by UFI, either EasyJ tag or Medusa. There you can check the MMC bad health issue and also check the NAN report. You will getting definitely problem on that MMC issue. You will getting the health report is bad sector like 90% consume of error or getting 50 to 60%. So you can how to fix that problem. When we will start the UFI, I will also explain how to fix the consume 90% consume or bad health issue. Okay, don't worry. Clear, Ramdani? Hello,
I'm here, sir.
clear now?
It's clear.
Yeah, Adil Naushad,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you are from
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala. Okay. My good name
Yes,
is
yes.
Mohammed Shahzad from Patna, Bihar.
Mohammed Saeed. Okay. Hi, sir.
Today is a first class, I think.
Yeah, my first class.
Okay, so today is a very sincerely class. That is your intro class. Same. We'll continue tomorrow. That is your base. UMT class will start. Do you have any dongle?
No, I only use the shade only, sir. I don't own
You
any
are now fresher.
mobile. Yeah, fresher.
Okay, don't worry. So
Okay.
today I'm showing you something. Which tool that you have used on fresher? Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Ramzani you also follow because you have already this there, so you can follow and revision your topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in Fresher, first you have need the Windows configuration specifications. Which PC has best for the software working? Minimum you have need Windows 10, RAM is 4 GB, i3 is processor. i3 processor is best. You can take the third generation, fifth generation as well, your choice. And 64-bit OS is must. You can choose above that configuration also, but if you're getting the minimum configuration that's satisfied your software, basic software, you can work there like your UFI also. That is your advanced software. You can work then on that PC. Okay, Naushad, Adil Naushad,
Yes, sir. Okay.
you are getting my voice is clear now?
Yeah, it's clear now.
You are also
But
getting
first
my
I can't
point?
hear that. Yeah. I got you.
Okay. So next, your PC is ready. Next, you have need driver and application for the connectivity of your phone. Which tool and driver need for the connectivity? So now I'm showing some tools that we need for the connectivity of first I'm showing you mobile connectivity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here there's some list here. If you're getting it in India or in world, basically three types of CPU in our market. First one, that is MediaTek. Second one, that is your SPD, Spectrum. And third one, that is your Qualcomm. Okay, got it?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Three CPU now in the market. Fourth one, that is HeliSilicon. Almost it will came on our Honor and Y-Set. But Qualcomm MediaTek is more now in our market as compared to other
Yes.
CPU. Okay. So how to connect your mobile of MediaTek type of CPU brand and Qualcomm and Spectrum. So here the some notification for you. If you're getting MediaTek of CPU phone, so must you have checked the battery at least 50%, not 30. Okay,
Okay, sir.
50% at least charge there. either you can flash or unlock. It will connect
Okay.
it two method of MediaTek CPU brand connected two method. First one that is Brom method. Second one that is Meta mode method. In Brom method, first switch off your phone, insert battery there, and press both volume key like volume plus and minus. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
While you have getting MediaTek phone, so you can connect with two method of your phone. First one that is your Brom method, and second one that is your Meta method. In Brom method, first you have switched off your phone, insert already on that battery on that phone, and press volume plus and minus key and connect to PC. It will make a port MediaTek USB VCOM port on device manager where you will get the port. So you can search on start button and type their device manager. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this is your device manager. You will getting the ports in ports name here. Got it? While
Got
you
it, sir.
have
Got it.
connect your MediaTek or Qualcomm SPD of any phone, you will getting the port here. Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Next, Meta mode. How to connect phone in Meta mode? So in Meta mode, first you switched off your phone, same, and insert battery there, 50% at least charge, and next without volume key and connect there. Got it? In Bro method, we need the both volume key,
Okay. Okay, sir.
but in Meta method, do not press any volume key. Without volume key, connect phone directly. It will make port preloader mode. It will go on preloader mode. MediaTek USB VCOM preloader mode. You will getting in
Preload.
ports name. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
If you're getting error from USB device not recognized on your PC, so you can cron jumper on that. Sometimes if you will getting like Vivo Y81 or Oppo MediaTek some model that will need their Oppo A87 for jumper on the ground point. How to get the jumper? So now I'm showing you like Oppo. Best point. A83, sorry. So how to make the jumper on that for making a port? So that case, you will make port. You need the jumper wire first. Okay. Next, you need to the open your back panel of your phone. Take
Okay,
jumper
sir.
wire and connect this resistance point of one node of that wire, and next end of the wire you will connect the ground on the point any area of the motherboard. Got it or not?
Oh, okay, sir. Got it. Okay.
You have any doubt?
No, no. Nothing.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Next, that is your spectrum. Spectrum type of you are getting like SPD type of CPU phone. Same, need 50% at least charge on that phone. Either you can flash or unlock. battery insert there, press both volume key and connect. If not making port, so that case you will need the boot jig cable. You can use Miracle boot jig cable. If not making port, first you have check the driver. If not driver, if have a driver, also it's not making a port. So that case you have use Miracle boot jig cable. Okay. Next that is a
Okay, sir. Okay.
Qualcomm. How to connect your Qualcomm phone, because there's a numbers of model in our market, Qualcomm and MediaTek. So same criteria, minimum 50% charge, phone, switched off your phone, battery insert there and press both volume plus and minus and connect. But it will work only for old type of Qualcomm phone, like before 2018 model. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, got
But
it.
if you're getting latest model, so how to connect your phone? So that case you need test point or EDL point. So how to get the test point and EDL points? So go on Google, you will get the test point or EDL point there. Like example, you know Vivo brand,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
like Vivo S1 Pro. If you want to unlock or flash from your PC, so first you have need the driver or port. So how to connect the port? It's mandatory. So this is your test point. It's showing circular
Oh,
line, red circle
EDL
under the 2
point.
points there.
Yes, yes. Okay, sir.
First remove your battery connector from the phone. Remove battery from the battery connector. Got it? This is your battery
Got it.
connector. Remove
Got it, sir.
battery from the battery connector of your phone and
Okay.
take your tweezer. You know tweezer, that is hardware tool, basic tools. Tweezer,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you know
Yes, sir.
tweezer, you have all
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay. So take tweezer
So
and
actually, yes, ma'am. Actually, I do the small software work. Uh, I do.
okay, you have already do and software work.
Yeah, yeah. I used to do some software, also like Audit tool, SPD tool. I use them for flashing.
Okay, so that's
Yes,
very
sir. Yes,
nice
sir.
for you. So I think you will getting wise very easy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I get it. I get it.
Okay, so this is your point. Remove your battery from the battery connector. Touch the tweezer their points and connect USB cable. It will make a port Qualcomm HS QD loader 900 port on port tab. Clear? Yeah, Adil Nash.
Yes, sir. There was some network issue.
Clear now?
Yeah, it's clear now. It's clear.
Okay. So this is your function, and if you're getting Samsung phone, same condition, 50% charge there, switch off your
Okay.
phone,
Okay.
battery insert there, and
Okay.
press volume minus, that is volume down. If you get old phone, that's already home key on that Samsung, but now that this time there's no home key in Samsung brand, you know.
Yes, yes. No problem. Yes.
So how to connect? So it's old model, saying is old model, it's saying for all
Okay.
model. Press volume minus, volume down, home key and power key, connect from the PC. It will go on download mode. Press volume up thrice time, that is 1 2 3 4 5 times you will getting download mode, and select volume up to go on download mode for old model of Samsung. If you're getting new model,
Okay,
so
sir.
first connect your phone from the PC, switch off your phone and press volume down and power key. Next, left your key from left hand from the power key and press volume up. It will go on download mode for the latest model of Samsung. Got it?
Got it, sir. Got it.
In Nokia, same, at least 50% charge, switched off your phone and insert battery there also, and press volume down only and connect cable. It will make a port and write fastboot mode. It go on fastboot mode. Clear?
Passport.
So why we need the volume down and fast boot mode? If you're using Nokia phone and you want to flash, so that case you have need fast boot mode for the OSLA tool. It is a service tool of company OSLA, Nokia service tool. Okay, so that case you
So
need
is
the
that
fast
a
boot.
paid tool? Is
Yeah,
that a paid one?
it's a paid tool. But if
Okay,
you want
sir.
to flash with the free tools like SP or Qualcomm tool, like your QFIL tool, so that case you have need ADL point or volume plus minus.
Volume plus minus.
Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
in
Okay.
Motorola tool, that is Qualcomm volume down and power key, it will make mode for bootloader. Clear? So it is a your connectivity, how to connect your phone. Any question?
No, sir. No. Just one thing, sir. From like this tool, this OSPLA, Nokia flashing tool.
Okay, I will come to point.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, is that like we can use any other dongle, or we want to use the same OSP like that tool for flashing Nokia devices?
Sorry, can you because I'm getting some noise from your side, background noise. So can you repeat again?
Sir, can we use any other dongle for flashing Nokia devices
I
other
will
than
come
this?
I will come to your points. These are basic
Okay,
now.
sir.
So we first we will continue the basic and free tools. When it
Okay,
will
sir.
complete
Okay.
your free tools, I will come on the paid tools, and there will explain which brand you can work on paid tools also.
Oh, okay, sir. Good. Good.
Okay. Okay, next one that is already complete. Free flash tool. Which tool you can use freely? So some tools that you can use freely, like your first one that is Hui tool. Hui tool is specific for it's supported only for Geo F55 model. It's supported which one model? Geo F50Y model. And while you have getting tool or application from the Google download, you will getting the zip file. So first unzip there, either you can use. Okay. How to upload the flash file on Hui tool? So this is your select tab, click there. It will asking the path, give the path there. So my file is here, F50Y, select the file and connect your phone, click download and connect your phone. So it will, every Geo phone boot key is center key of Geo phone volume up or down. Clear? Press center key up and down. Clear? For Geo F50Y. Next one, that is Odin tool. So you know, I think already used on Odin tool. So Odin tool mainly used for flashing on bypass FRP flashing. You can use this tool. Odin, it's a free tool. So if you want to full flash, you need 4 file: BL file, AP, CP, and CSC file. So how to download? Simple, go on Google, and if you want to like any model A505 F4 file, which file? 4 file. That is your full flash file. You will getting that full flash file there. Download the, but it's mandatory while you have download the Samsung file, you know about the binary on that phone. Clear? So how to know the binary? Which binary have your phone? So example like your binary. This is your model A500F. That is your model. I'm trying to draw something. That will help for you. You will getting my screen now.
Yes, sir, I can see.
So A505F, it is your what? Can you say?
Model name, model name.
Yeah, it's your model name. And DDU, that is your language.
Language.
So in India, we are supported FF, XXU, double X or DD. Okay. It's your language. Next, that is your one. U1, you will getting the number one.
Go on.
It's showing your binary. So it is very important. While you have download the any flash file of Samsung, first you know about the binary number.
Final number. Okay, okay.
Yeah, so this is your binary. It's showing now any numbers you will getting there. 1, 2, 3, that's showing your binary. Next, it's showing your year. AS, that is showing your year, which year this file is uploaded on that website. Okay. A, that means 1. Okay. And S, it will came on the which number of alphabetical? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. That is 15 for 19. So it will came on 2019. Okay. Year is 2019.
Thank you.
Clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
And last one, B. B donated your month. In which month is it uploaded? So what is the month? Can you tell me? It's showing B. That is what? January and February. Okay. And last one saying 7 number. How much time uploaded this file on this month? Revision. You know revision version.
Version, version. Okay, okay, okay.
Revision version on this file. Sorry.
Okay, okay. Okay.
So it will be revision on 7 times in this month. So already 6 times it will be updated. It's a 7 times updated file. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay, okay.
So can you tell me this? So I am now enter. I want to showing something like M. I delete it first. There's a numbers of website you can download the Samsung Pass, Sam Mobile, Sam firmware, Samsung firmware. Also, you will get the flash file. Our website. Our website name, Repair My Mobile.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now I'm tapping some model here, and you can clarify me what is the version, what's the exact name, and Android version also. Okay. M. Okay. Please tell me the mobile model name, language, binary, in which year and month it will be uploaded, and revision time. Adil Nashad.
Sorry, model A505F.
Sorry, model.
A5, model A505F.
That is A50.
A50, A55F.
Okay. Language is GDU. Next. What is the binary? Adil Nashad. Can you tell
Yes,
me
sir, yes, sir.
what is
Yes,
the
sir.
binary of this model? Ramzani?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get it.
What is the binary?
Binary,
U7.
7.
Yeah. And in which year updated?
So I am having some network issues. One minute, let me connect to my Wi-Fi.
So it's updated on ABC, that is 3. It's come after 2, that is 1. And you denoted your 21. So it will updated 21 year, 2021 year. And month is D, that is A for January, B for February, C for March, and D for April. So it will updated April 2021. How much time? It's updated
Four
4
times.
times.
Four
Clear?
times. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now you can use directly flash file. Okay, while you have download the flash file now, you will getting like this file. Like I have a Samsung example, J5. Can you tell me the model? J53. J5 is model,
J5,
and
J5,
language
3,
is XX, and binary is 7.
7.
It will updated on 2020 because T come for 0. It's updated on
0.
20, and F, that is a year, a month.
Month. Okay, sir.
In which month? Can you tell me? It will uploaded in which month? Adil Nashad, do you have any idea?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm just looking. A4
Yeah, please,
February,
please.
it's F. February, January, February, March, April, June.
Yeah, definitely. So it will updated 2020 of June month,
2 months.
and first revision on that month. And
First
Android
revision.
version, that is showing your 9. That is your Android version. 9. You
Yes,
will
sir.
getting the
Okay.
numbers 9 now. That is showing your Android version. So it's a
Okay,
full
okay.
flash file. While you will open this file now, you will getting this one file: AP, PL, CP, CSC, and home CSC. So you will getting home CSC and CSC. What is the difference between CSC and home CSC? So if you are taking home CSC file, so it will protect from the deleted your user data or wipe data from that phone or that model. But
Okay,
if you are
sir.
using CSC only, so it will erased. It can't be protect, or uh, it will lost your data of CSC. So how to select a file file? Simple. You will getting BL file. Click BL.
PL. Okay.
Go
Sir,
on.
if we choose home CSC, our all data will be erased or will be stored,
Yeah, if you're getting home CSC, it will protect your data.
protect data. Sir, if in case, can we do FRP without losing data?
No, always FRP getting after wiping your data. FRP will
Uh,
come after wiping data.
no, sir. I just asked, can we reset the pattern or log without losing data?
Yeah, you can, but in this tool now possible. There you can use advanced tool, that is UFI, EasyTag, Medusa.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay, sir.
so these are BL file. Now it's uploading. Next, take the AP file. So these are AP file.
So, do I get a video like recording of this session? Hello,
Yeah,
sir. Do I get a recording of this session?
I can't getting your point.
Like, do I will I get? Can I get a video of this class?
Yeah, sure. You will get the video also. You have already registered your from our app, Repair My Mobile app.
Yes, yes, I have registered. But in my courses, nothing showing. Like, I haven't. It was like no courses.
Okay, we'll continue your point. But first,
Okay,
now uploading CP file.
okay,
Take
sir.
your CP file. Next one, CSC file. So if you have a home CSC file, always take home CSC file. Either if you're getting error or home CSC, you can use CSC file there. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and
Okay.
connect your phone on download mode. Always connect your phone download mode for the flashing of Samsung on audio tool. Okay, and click start
Okay, sir.
button after while you have connect your phone audio download mode. ID com block is colorful, that is sky color. I show not it getting notification sky color, and next you click on start button. Your flashing is done. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you are saying you are not added on the app. Yeah, right.
So I'm
Okay,
not added on that.
you have registered the repair my mobile app.
Yeah, yeah, I registered, sir. Registered.
Repair my mobile app. You do you have?
Yeah, I have. Sir.
Okay, great. Can you share your email ID?
Mail ID. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
WADAL
Sorry.
AADIL.
A A D I L
NAU.
N
Yes, sir.
A.
Adil Nashad 3 at
Is your
gmail.com. Yes.
Naushad?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
that's it.
okay. Got it. Check your mobile. You will get the notification from our site. You will getting the
Okay.
videos and class link there.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Okay. You will get the notification. Check your mobile, please.
Sir. Yes, sir. Just 1 minute. Yes, sir. Course assigned. Android to basic advanced.
You will getting the app link now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the application.
You will getting the today video also there. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So these are free tool also. Numbers of tools that is free is example like if you want to use Quiffle tool, so you can flash your Quiffle tool via Qualcomm phone type of phone only. Quiffle tool that is only for you can use for Qualcomm, but it's limited supported like Vivo, Lenovo, Asus, Geo. You can flash there. Itel you can flash. Clear? In QFill tool. Do you have used QFill tool?
I have, but it was not completed. It was
Okay.
showing error.
So first you have got the notification app. So please revise them all there. Okay.
Okay,
Please
sir.
revise all videos, and again you can tomorrow you can ping me if you're getting any problem from that classes. You can ask me.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll continue the new topic, that is your, I think UMT will start tomorrow.
UMP. Okay.
And
So one.
Ramdani from Nigeria, meet him. Ramdani,
Yes, sir.
meet him. Ramdani Ivan Dule from Nigeria, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
And meet also new friend here, Adil Naushad from Kerala, India.
Hi,
Ramdani,
Ramzani.
Yeah, I'm here, sir.
yeah, please meet him, your new friend.
Okay.
Hi, Ramzani.
How are you? Hi.
Hi.
Mm,
So one.
you're a newcomer.
Yeah. Newcomer.
Come on. Okay, no problem. For any problem, contact me on my WhatsApp.
Okay. Sure.
You get me?
Sure. Yes.
Okay,
I get you.
okay. I will help you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, class. Ramdani, thank you. And Adil Naushad, also you can, thanks to coming for our class.
Okay,
We'll
sir.
continue tomorrow, right time 4 p.m. And guys, please come on the time, 4 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Indian
So,
time.
one more question. Uh, I actually opted for hardware course also, but I
Yeah.
don't see.
While your software is complete now, next we'll take the hardware.
Sir, can you just give me what all like our syllabus?
Oh yeah, I'm share on your WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, class. Thank you very much for the
Okay, sir.
coming, guys. Have a nice day, all of you, and Allah Hafiz for all of you.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.